Hello guys, all of you, good morning. This is your mentor Akash Pahurkar from Unacademy. This is our new channel, that is Unacademy CAT4MBA. The link is visible on the screen. That is tinyurl.com/Unacademy Akash. On this link, you'll get all the links of my YouTube sessions, and please do watch it. Bookmark this link in your browser, and once you open that sheet, in that sheet you'll get to see a lot of different links on based on different topics which I'll be taking, and the previous video links are also available there, and today's video links I'll be uploading. Okay, so please bookmark it, it will be very helpful. This is my 7th session of LRDI practice for CAT examination. So let's start with this session, guys. Something about myself before we move further. I have completed my mechanical engineering in 2015, and it's been around 5 years that I've been training for CAT examination and other MBA entrance exams. Around 6,000 students I have trained till date. This is an amazing team on YouTube. We have Ronak sir, Sham sir, Rishikesh sir, Ritu ma'am, Apurva ma'am, and yeah, all these educators they have a lot of experience. They'll help you crack all the entrance exams. That will be really great if you watch all their videos on YouTube channel. It's Unacademy CAT4MBA. So please do watch it, guys. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel, Unacademy_Akash Pahurkar. It will be really great if you watch all the sessions. You can post your queries on this Telegram channel. Whatever doubts you have regarding cons, logical reasoning, data interpretation, or any exam specific data if you want, and strategy preparation, everything I'll address your doubts. So let's start with this session. All of you must be knowing only 2 months are left for CAT examination. So this is the right time to go for an Academy Plus subscription, guys. And all the other MBA entrance exams are also approaching. So if you get the subscription, you'll get to see all the plus courses. Next week I'll be launching my plus class, my plus course also. So it will be really great if you watch all these sessions and get the subscription, guys. Sky10 is my code. You'll get 10% off on any plan you are going for. So please get it as soon as possible. Okay, am I audible enough to every one of you? Quickly tell me. Hello everyone. Yeah. Okay, fine. So all the plans are available at affordable cost. 12-month plan is 13,750 rupees, and the 24-month plan is available for 18,900 rupees. So get the subscription as soon as possible. Use my code Sky10. Share this code with your friends also. That will be really great. Fine. So let's start with this session. Are you ready? Okay. So this is our first question. I hope my voice is audible enough and video is clear. Tell me, Harshvardhan, are you there? So let's try to solve this question. It's a very simple question, and it is related to CAT preparation, guys. Okay, so first of all, read this paragraph. Try to understand what are the key points. The plan below shows an office block for 6 officers A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is basically there is a corridor, and this is an office block, and there will be 6 officers sitting in that block. Okay, there are 6 offices, you can see. Both B and C occupy offices to the right of the corridor, to the right hand side of the corridor. So this is the right hand side, and this is left hand side of the corridor. Okay, so it is given B and C will occupy the offices to the right side of the corridor. Okay, so just write B and C over here. Okay, B and C will be placed in this case, okay, to the right hand side. After this, and A occupies an office to the left of the corridor. Okay, so A is towards the left. Okay, and next part is E and F occupy offices on opposite sides of corridor, but their offices do not face each other. Okay. Now E and F are towards opposite to each other. I'll just write down here E and F. Okay, E and F are opposite. They are on opposite sides and they do not face. Okay, they do not face. Their offices do not face each other. Okay, and it is also given the offices of C and D face each other. So offices of C and D face each other. They are facing towards each other. It means that obviously C and D must be on opposite sides. Very simple, right? So if C is towards the right hand side, then D must be towards the left hand side. Okay, D must be towards the left hand side, and it clearly means they are and it is given they are facing towards each other. Now E does not have a corner office. E does not have a corner office. What does it mean? Either E must be placed on this place or this office. Okay, so only two options are available for E, either middle office towards the left or middle office towards the right hand side. Okay, F's office is further down the corridor than A's. Okay, F's office is further down the corridor than A's, but on the same side. It means that F and A are towards the same side, and now there is only one person remaining. A is gone, B, C, D. Now only E is remaining, and there was only one place left. So E must be towards the right hand side of the corridor. It means that E must be at the middle towards the right hand side. So E should place here. Okay, so E is fixed over here. So E should be cancelled from this place. Now it is given that F's office is further down the corridor than A's. Okay, so first whenever you enter this block, first A's office will be there, and after that you will see there will be office of F. Okay, now it is given that E and F are not facing towards each other. Now it clearly means F cannot be at this middle place. F must be towards the rightmost end. If you enter the towards the left hand side, the last office will be of F. Okay, and now there is one clue given. C and D office, their offices are towards the opposite side and they are facing towards each other. So there is only one place remaining like this. So C must be placed at this place and D must be placed at this office. Okay, and since towards the right hand side there is only one person remaining, that is B. So B is here and A should be placed at this place. I hope you understood this. Harshvardhan, did you understand this part? So are you watching? Are you there? Okay, I believe you have understood this. We have done this entire arrangement. It's very simple question. Okay, so if you want me to explain it again, I will do that. So please let me know. Should I explain this question again? Should I explain this arrangement again? Let me know, guys, if I'm audible enough or not. Okay, so maybe we went a little faster. I'll do this again. Okay, I'll quickly explain how to arrange all of them. Okay, so this is left hand side and this is right hand side. This is left and right. There are 6 officers A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, both B and C occupy offices to the right of the corridor. So B and C are towards the right hand side. So B and C are here. And A occupies an office to the left of the corridor. So A is towards the left of the corridor. E and F occupy offices on opposite sides, but their offices do not face each other. So I'll write this clue. E and F are on the opposite sides and they do not face each other. Their offices do not face each other. This is the clue given. And also the next part is the offices of C and D face each other. So offices of C and D, they are facing towards each other. Okay, they are facing towards each other. It clearly means that this D's office will be opposite towards the left hand side, because we already know C is towards the right hand side. Then D must be placed on left hand side of the corridor. So D is here and their offices are facing towards each other. It is given. Okay, now the next clue is E does not have a corner office. It means that as of now E has two options, either middle office towards the left, this place, or middle office towards the right, so this place. Okay. Now the next clue is F's office is further down the corridor than A's. It means that but on the same side, right? So A and F both are on the same side. So first of all I have written F on the same side of A, and there is only one person remaining. A is gone, B, C, D. Now E was remaining and there is only one place left. That's why E must be placed towards the right hand side. Okay. Now in the last clue what was given, F's office is further down the corridor than A's. It means that as you enter the corridor, you'll see that first you'll get to see A's office, then you'll get to see F's office. Okay, so this is, just remember this part. Now if E is towards the right hand side of the corridor, then obviously there is only one option left for E, so E must be placed here. Okay, and this option is cancelled for E. Now it is given that C and D are facing towards each other, yes, and now yeah, C and D are facing towards each other. Now there are two options as of now for C and D, so either you can take the rightmost two offices or leftmost two offices. Okay. Now which clue we can use hereafter? Quickly tell me guys, which clue we can use? Yeah, E and F do not face each other, right? E and F do not face each other. It means that for F there is only one place remaining, that is this. Okay, because we cannot keep F towards the leftmost end, because we know that as you enter, first A's office will be there, then F's office will be there. So we cannot keep F towards the leftmost corner. Okay, top corner. Okay, so now C and D are facing towards each other, so there is only one option left here. So C will be placed in this place, D will be placed in this place, and A will be placed in the central office, and there is only one person remaining now, so B will be placed at this office. So now I believe all of you have understood this, how to find how to arrange all this data. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. If E sits in his office and faces the corridor, whose office is to his left? Okay, if E sits in his office and faces the corridor, whose office is to his left? So can you tell me whose office will be to the left of E? You can see that to the left of E there is office of C. So the correct answer will be option C. I hope you understood this part. Whose office faces A's office? Whose office faces A's office? So just a minute. So there is only one option. Just a minute. Yeah. So see, A and E are facing towards each other, right? So correct answer will be option D. Okay. So E is facing. Now next question is, who is or are F's neighbors? Now the office which F is facing, that is not called as neighbor. Okay. Only towards the left or right they are neighbors. So to the right hand side of F, if F is facing corridor, then to the right hand side of F there is A, and this B is not the neighbor of F, don't worry, only A is the neighbor of F. So correct answer will be option A only. I believe you have understood this part and there is no doubt over here. D was heard telling, the next question is, D was heard telling someone to go further down the corridor to the last office on the right. To whose office was he trying to direct that person? Okay, so D was heard telling someone to go further down the corridor to the last office on the right side. So whose office is last office on the right hand side? So obviously B is having his office at the end of corridor and towards the right hand side. So option B will be the right answer. I believe guys you have understood this part and there is no doubt over here. So let me tell you quickly something you need to understand. Sky 10 is my code guys. You'll have to use this code to get plus subscription next week, probably not this coming Monday. next week after that I'll be launching my plus class, my plus course. I want you guys to watch this plus course, and in order to watch that plus course, you'll be having plus subscription. Okay, there are multiple plans you have to get those plans using my code Sky10. You'll get 10% off. And also please go to your browser, type this link and open a sheet. There will be a sheet which will open, and bookmark that sheet. In that sheet you'll have lot of different videos, video links of my YouTube sessions. Okay, so you can watch those sessions, those will be helpful for you. And today also I'll be taking a lot of sessions. There will yeah, from morning I have taken 2 sessions of functions. This is my third session, and after this I'll have from 2 p.m. I'll have session on LRDI 8 session, and then I'll start with previous year's questions of percentage, profit loss, simple compound interest, and all the other arithmetic topics. I believe you have understood this part now. Okay, so let's start now. So here is the next question, guys. Try to solve this. It's a very simple question. I'll give you some time to solve. Okay, so take some time. Yeah, try to arrange this quickly. I'll give you some time. You have to make this arrangement, and let's find out. I guess there are few more. No, only these are the clues which are given. So try to make a table, then we'll try to solve these questions based on this. So quickly do that, all of you. Yeah, try to solve this, guys, quickly. I want everyone to answer. Okay, it's a very simple question. Try to draw the table. Okay, first of all, and please read the question entirely first. The last sentence of this is Sunday and it is given that, it is also given that week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. So this is an important part. So first of all, just write down from Sunday to Saturday, and accordingly write down all the information, put entire information in that tabular format. Okay, and once you do that, it will be little easier for you to solve. Okay, so I'll start explaining this. Fine. So first of all, what are the different things given here? PQRSTUVW. PQRSTVW are 7 friends who left for 7 different places: Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chandigarh, Patna. Each one on different days of the week, right? And are left for Patna on Monday. So first of all, just let's draw the table. Okay, so I'll draw the table, guys, quickly. Let's try to understand this. So the week starts on Sunday. So Sunday, then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so here is the table. Now give me a minute. So guys, whenever you have such arrangement where uh, days of the weeks are given, or timing is given 6 a.m., 7 a.m., then 8, 9, 10. So already write it in the given order, then it becomes little easier to solve this such questions. Okay, so fine. So it is given. We'll write name over here first. Okay, name, and here city. Fine. Now it is given R left for Patna on Monday. Okay, so here is R, and the person or anything which gets fixed at a particular place, we have to put it in a box, right? So R left for Patna on Monday. So R is here, and let's write Patna here, right? Okay. So fine. Next is on the last day of the week, one person left for Bangalore. Okay, on the last day of the week, one person left for Bangalore. So on Saturday, the city that person left for is Bangalore. Very simple. Next, it is given T left on second after P, who left for. Okay, so first of all, what does this mean? Okay, so there is P. Now T left on second after P, it means that there is one gap in between T and P. So here is T. Okay, so P left and then someone left, and after that T left. Now who left for Chandigarh? Now this who is for which person? It is for P. According to the proximity principle in English language, this who is for this P. Okay, who left for Chandigarh? So this P left for Chandigarh. Okay, I'll write it over here. I hope it is visible to you. Quickly tell me, guys. Okay, so P left for Chandigarh, and after that, what is mentioned? And a day previous to W's departure. So, and a day previous to W's departure, it means that this gap is there in between P and T. In that gap, we'll have to put W over here. Okay, very simple. Now, S left for Kolkata on Friday. So, S left for Kolkata on Friday. Okay, so he'll write Kolkata city. Very simple. Okay, the next part is next part is Q did not leave. Q did not leave for either Hyderabad or Bangalore. Okay, so Q did not leave either for Hyderabad or Bangalore, and W left for Delhi. So this W, he left for Delhi. So I'll just write it over here. Give me a minute. So this W left for Delhi. Okay, and Q did not leave for either Hyderabad or Bangalore. So just remember this clue, and it is given W left for Delhi. So I have already written that. It is also given that week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. Now this is the group of three, P, W and T. This group of three, where can we put them? There is only one place available, that is Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, right? So I'll have to put them in that order. P is here, W will be on Wednesday, and T will be on Thursday. Very simple. Now it is given that W left for Delhi. So W left for Delhi and P left for Chandigarh. Okay, so this Chandigarh. And now what is left? Yeah, we know that Q did not leave for either Hyderabad or Bangalore. So it is very clear from this table that we cannot keep this Q on Saturday because Q did not leave for Bangalore. It means that I'll have to put Q on Sunday. Okay, and since we know that he did not leave for Hyderabad or Bangalore, so Hyderabad must be put below this T, below on Thursday. So on Thursday T must have left for Hyderabad. Very simple. And now there is only one person remaining, P, Q, R, S, T, V. So V is on Saturday, and there is only one city left, which is that city, Chennai is that city. So I'll have to write Chennai here, okay, on Sunday. I believe all of you have understood this and there is no doubt over here. Okay, fine. So let's try to solve now. Okay, so look at this question. First question, what is mentioned here? On which day of the week did Q leave? Okay, on which day of the week did Q leave? So quickly tell me. Q left on Sunday. This is the answer. है ना? Option A will be the right answer in this case. I hope there is no doubt over here. And what is given? What is given next part? Sorry, what is the next question? Who left for Bangalore? Who left for Bangalore? Who left for Bangalore? Bangalore is a place. Yeah, we left for Bangalore. It is given, clearly mentioned. So we left for Bangalore. Option C will be the right answer. Very good. Okay. Next question is which of the following combinations of the person place is not correct? Okay. Now P left for Patna. P left for Patna. Yeah, this is not correct, right? P left for Patna. Let's check whether others are true or not. P left for Chandigarh. P left for Chandigarh is true, है ना? This P left for Chandigarh. This is true. T left for Hyderabad. T left for Hyderabad. That is also true. S left for Kolkata. Yeah, S left for Kolkata, that is also true. So that is the first option which is wrong. Option A is not correct. Who left on Tuesday? Who left on Tuesday? P left on Tuesday, right? So option B is the right answer. I believe you have understood this part and there is no doubt over here. Okay, a very simple question. Now I'll just quickly give you a couple of puzzles, very simple puzzles. I'll quickly explain this. Okay. In a 50 over match, okay, this is just a puzzle, 2-3 puzzles I'll give you. In a 50 overs match, one day match, what is the highest number of runs any batsman can score? I want everyone to answer this. Okay, in a 50 overs match, what is the highest number of runs any batsman can score? It's a very simple question. And provided there are no white balls, there are no balls, no balls, and no leg byes. So what is the highest number of runs any batsman can score? So think about this question. It's a very simple question. Think about this. I want everyone to answer. Quickly try this, all of you. Yes. Solve this quickly. Okay. The question is, in a 50 overs match, what is the highest number of runs any batsman can score? Okay, it's a very interesting puzzle. I'll quickly explain that part. Obviously, we are talking about the opener batsman, the first batsman who is on strike. Only that person can score the highest number of runs. Okay, and if he wants to score highest number of runs, he should play every ball, right? He should play every ball, but you don't have to think that every ball he will hit a six. Okay, let's talk about first over. Okay, first over, what will happen? On first five balls, he will hit 6, right? So 30 runs are scored in those first 5 balls. Then what happens in the last one ball? Now he wants to have his strike back. If he hits a 6, then the strike will change. If he scores even number of runs, then also strike will change. It means that he will have to score odd number of runs, only then he'll get to retain his strike. Okay, and since we want to maximize his score, he will not score only 1 run, he'll score 3 runs, right? So on this last ball he'll score 3 runs, so plus 3. So total in 1 over, okay, in 1 over he is going to score total 33 runs. Okay, and 33 runs will be scored till when? 33 runs will be scored till 49 overs. And in the last over, what will happen? In the last over, he doesn't want to change the strike now because it's the last over. He can hit sixes on all the balls. That is 36 runs he'll score. So if you add it, you will get the answer as 1653. This is the highest number of run any batsman can score. Very simple. I hope you have understood this part and there is no doubt over here. Okay. I hope you like this puzzle. One more puzzle I'll give you quickly. Okay, so the puzzle is, the match started, cricket match started, and on first 10 balls of the match, 10 batsmen got out. Okay, they were clean bowled. Okay, on first 10 balls, 10 batsmen were out and they were clean bowled. It's not catch out or run out. Okay, so which batsman is still not out? You have to tell me. So think about this quickly. Which batsman is not out? I want everyone to answer quickly, guys. Tell me. It's a very simple question. Yeah. Think about this question. I want everyone to answer. It's a very simple question. So what I asked, in a cricket match, as soon as the match started, on first 10 balls, 10 batsmen were clean bowled. Okay, they were clean bowled. Now you have to tell me which number batsman was still not out. Okay, which batsman is still not out? I want you guys to tell me the answer. A very simple question. It's an interesting puzzle. So tell me, guys, what will be the answer of this question? Okay, so and give me a minute, all of you. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Try to solve, guys. चलो मैं explain कर देता हूँ जल्दी से. I'll write it over here. Here is the first batsman: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So there are total 11 batsmen. This first batsman is opener, right? So this is and he is at the striker end as of now, and this is on non-striker. Second batsman is non-striker and both are openers, right? Now as soon as the match starts, on first 6 balls, who will get out? Batsman number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, because there are total 6 balls. So on the first 6 balls, this 6 batsmen got out. Now what will happen? As soon as this over ends, now the striker end will be the striker end will be of this two. This second batsman will be on striker end, so this will be the striker end. Okay, and this 8 number batsman is non-striker end. Okay, he'll be on non-striker end. Now only 4 balls are remaining, and because on every ball one of the batsmen is getting bowled, clean bowled. So now this striker end, 1 ball, then 9 number batsman second ball, 10 number batsman third ball, 11 number batsman fourth ball. I believe all of you have understood this. Okay, so only there is 8 number batsman who is still not out in this question. I hope you understood this, and there is no doubt over here. Fine, I hope you understood this, guys, and let me know if you are able to enjoy the session. Okay, so we'll just quickly end the session here, and now I have next session from 2 p.m. So please follow this link, that is tinyurl.com/unacademyakash. If you just type this link in your browser, there will be a sheet which will open. In that sheet, all my previous video links of YouTube are available, so do watch all the sessions. That will be truly helpful for you. You can suggest me in the chat box also if you want specific videos on specific question types or concepts or areas of quants, logical reasoning or data interpretation, or you want some strategy videos. So everything will be uploaded, guys, don't worry. Okay, so please do follow me. And next week I'll be launching my plus class, my plus course. So if you want to watch that, you'll have to use my code SKY10. Okay, do not forget this code SKY10. Take the screenshot of this. Okay, and ये जो लिंक है, इस लिंक को आपको बुकमार्क करके रखना है. जितने भी वीडियोस आते हैं, सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको देखने हैं. That will be very helpful for you. And in this special platform, if you have downloaded the app, search for my name Akash Pahurkar and just follow me there. Watch all my sessions which I have taken till now. Okay, so that will be very helpful for you. Fine, so let's end the session now. I'll quickly explain what you're going to get in this plus subscription. The first and most important thing is your mock tests and test series and sectional tests. If you are giving a lot of mock tests and if you are analyzing it, then you'll be able to develop that strategy. Without strategy, then it will be little difficult to score in the actual exam. So you need lot of practice. Even if you are well versed with all the concepts, all the question types, and you know all the formulas, and your speed calculation is good and your observation is good, then still if you don't have practice for giving actual exam in that time limit, then it becomes little difficult. And if you directly appear to the exam, then what will happen, maybe you will panic and you will not be able to solve any question properly. Okay, maybe at some point of time you will get stuck and you will not be able to solve the question you are on. And easy question also you will miss out for sure. 2-3 easy questions you will miss, and it will certainly take your score down, and your seat will not be confirmed in a good MBA college. Okay, so for that, so quickly get the subscription, guys, if you are really serious about your MBA preparation. And you have to use my code SKY10. First of all, just download the Unacademy learning app. Once you install the app, under management and foreign studies, you'll get to see CAT section. So under that CAT section, there are multiple plans available. If you open the sheet, if you open that plans, you'll see that all the plans are available at affordable cost. I want you guys to use my code SKY10. Okay, so use this code SKY10, you'll get 10% off on any plan you are going for. That will be really helpful for all of you guys. And along with CAT courses, there are multiple courses available on our platform. For example, UPSC, NEET, JEE, bank exams, SSC exams, defense exams. So if there is anyone in your contact who is preparing for these exams, then please suggest, you can recommend these courses to them so that it will be helpful for their journey. That will be really great if you do that, guys. And finally, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Unacademy CAT4MBA. Please press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever we are live. Okay, so that is really great if you just watch all our videos. जो मैंने लिंक बताया था उस लिंक को ओपन करना है ब्राउजर में, उसको बुकमार्क कर लो और जितने भी वीडियोस है वो सारे के सारे आपको वीडियोस देखने हैं. स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म में सर्च माय नेम आकाश पहुरकर, फॉलो मी and watch all my videos. That will be really great. And let's see you, let's meet again at 2 p.m. today. Okay, I'll be taking LRDI's 8th part, and after that I'll be starting previous year questions of all the arithmetic portion. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you so much, bye bye, take care.